In this lesson, we are going to learn what an adverb is, what different types of adverbs there are, and what some examples of adverbs are. Firstly, what is an adverb? An adverb is a word that is used to change or modify several types of words, including an adjective, a verb, a clause, or maybe another adverb. A good way to understand adverbs is to think about them as words that provide context. Therefore, an adverb often provides a description of how, where, when, or in what manner something is done or something happens. It's really important to know a lot about adverbs and when we use them, because they appear very frequently in the English language. Many also often get confused between adjectives and adverbs, so it is important to know the difference. I'm firstly going to list the different types of adverbs. I'm going to list them with some examples and some example sentences. Try and repeat the examples after me. Adverbs of manner. An adverb of manner will explain how an action is carried out. They often end in ly. For example, slowly, rapidly, and clumsily. An example is, they walk quickly to catch the train. They walk quickly to catch the train. An adverb of place, sometimes called spatial adverbs, will help explain where an action happens. For example, north, down, here, and forward. An example is, they travelled down the hill. They travelled down the hill. Another example is, please move forward to the front of the queue. Please move forward to the front of the queue. Next, we have our adverbs of frequency, which are used to express time or how often something occurs. For example, usually, normally, and always. An example is, Lucy always goes to the shops. Lucy always goes to the shops. Next, we have our adverbs of time. This seems similar to an adverb of frequency, but it usually tells us exactly when something happens. For example, yesterday, today, and last year. An example is, we first met Alex last year. We first met Alex last year. Finally, we have our adverbs of purpose, which is sometimes called adverbs of reason, and they help to describe why something happened. For example, because and in order to. An example of this is, because I was late, I ran a lot faster. Because I was late, I ran a lot faster. So that sums up adverbs, and it's time to get practicing. Good luck.